Having trouble seeing your Lorex camera on the app? You're not alone. This common issue often happens during setup or after updates due to network problems or incorrect configurations. First, ensure your camera and phone are on the same Wi-Fi network, either 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz band. Next, power cycle both your camera and router. Unplug them, wait 30 seconds, then plug them back in. This often fixes connectivity issues. Verify the camera has a strong Wi-Fi signal. Poor signal can prevent it from connecting to the app. If problems persist, perform a factory reset on the camera by holding the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. Make sure your Lorex app is up to date. Recent updates have fixed connectivity issues. If the problem started recently, check for power outages, internet issues, or service updates that might be causing the connection problem. If restarting didn't work, open the Lorex app and try re-adding the camera. Navigate to Add Device, choose wireless or wired based on your camera type, and follow the on-screen instructions, which usually involve scanning the QR code on the camera. A frequent issue arises with user roles. The Lorex app supports different access levels like admin, viewer, and guest. Ensure the user account has correct permissions to view the camera. In the app, go to Settings, then Device Permissions, and assign appropriate roles. Advanced network settings like MAC address filtering on your router can block the camera. Check your router settings and ensure the camera's MAC address is whitelisted. For port forwarding, make sure ports 80 and 554 are open. Consider using Lorex's P2P mode for a direct connection without relying on the cloud. If you are still having problems, you may need to contact Lorex's support at 1-888-853-6739.